Good morning, everyone. Apple's FCC filings for the new iPhone 13, has revealed some juicy news. First of all, the iPhone 13 will only support charging up to 15 watts. For comparison, the iPhone 12 supports charging up to 20 watts. So either Apple figured out new battery tech to charge faster at lower wattage, or they're just charging slower now with a larger battery. Secondly, the new filings also showed that there will be 4 new iPhone 13s as expected, with the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Other than that, the 4 legacy phones are probably referring to the iPhone 12, the mini, the Pro, and the Pro Max, with the possibility that they're being retired in lieu of the iPhone 13 instead of just manufacturing them, keeping them on the line. They might be taking them off the market. Other details, including the AirPods, which probably remain the same, a regular silicone case that nobody buys, and a regular AC DC adapter as expected. While it may be a disappointment that Apple's reducing the wattage from 20 watts to 15 watts, we'll refrain from judging until we actually see the new product. Perhaps there's something an ace up your sleeve. As always, feel free to subscribe as we continue to keep you updated with the situation. Thanks.